for an angelic experience, for delicate touch of wings, for a bright and beautiful sight. Butterfly Garden is awaiting you at Statue of Unity. To protect the butterfly species from going extinct, over 150 species of larval host plants and nectar plants here attract varieties of butterfly species. Blue, yellow, black, golden or white. Hues of joy will fly your heart with pleasure. Just like a heaven of treasure. The pudding area is the hot spot for butterflies here, where you can observe the preferences of butterflies, as each species has its specific nectar and larval host plant. What a great learning it will be for you. No garden truly blooms until the butterflies have danced upon it. Butterflies help keeping a balance in the ecosystem. See the gods' painted canvas on their wings when they blossom at their best. Come between July and November, March and April, as Butterfly Garden is awaiting you at Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue.